YBS Insulation is one of the UK's leading manufacturers of high-performance multi-foil insulation products. Established in 1994, YBS has a rich heritage and over the years has developed a range of innovative insulation solutions, each designed with sustainability in mind.
Now let's see how quick and easy it is to install. Unroll the BreatherQuilt over the top of the rafters. When you reach the end of the roll, cut the BreatherQuilt so that it finishes in the middle of the last rafter and staple it in place. Be sure to roll the BreatherQuilt with the breathable reflective side pointing downwards. This will allow the insulation to reflect heat back into the room while allowing moisture to pass through. Begin the next roll from the next rafter by butt jointing it to the end of the first roll. Check out the multi-layer foil composition and membrane that makes up BreatherQuilt. It's flexible and is a sustainable approach to breathable and thermal insulation. It even comes with built-in double-sided tape to make installation easier. The BreatherQuilt by YBS Insulation uses our patented Kimble technique, and this Kimble keeps all the multifoil layers in place. This design is another YBS innovation. The layers are stitched in on both sides as well. I'd now like to welcome our building inspector, Michelle.
Hi Dennis, just a few questions for you. Does BreatherQuilt meet the UK's building regulations?
Yes, it does, Michelle. BreatherQuilt is fully agreement, NHBC accepted and LABC registered for pitched roof applications.
Can BreatherQuilt be used on its own?
Yes, it can, Michelle. It can be used on its own or with other insulation materials, or in conjunction with other YBS insulation products, such as SuperQuilt as a system.
Is BreatherQuilt a 2-in-1 breathable and insulating multifoil?
Why, yes it is, Michelle. This means there is no need for an additional breather membrane.
Does BreatherQuilt have a highly reflective outer layer?
Yes, it does. It has a true aluminium outer layer to maximise its thermal efficiency and maintain the product's integrity. Note that the average UK household produces enough water vapour equivalent to between 20 and 25 pints per day. If this moisture cannot escape, condensation will become a problem, but not with BreatherQuilt. BreatherQuilt is airtight, waterproof, breathable and reflects radiant heat, which increases thermal performance. This removes the risk of condensation. Give us a call or visit our website to find out more.